In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Gumroad workflows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in and talk about what Gumroad workflows are and how you can set them up. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for creators to sell digital products, but one of its powerful features is the capability to automate your process with workflows. This can save you a ton of time and ensure that your new subscribers receive the information they need right when they need it. First things first, you'll want to open a web browser and log into your Gumroad account. Once you're in, the first page you'll meet is your dashboard. This serves as your command center for all your activities on Gumroad. Now, take a look at the navigation menu on the left side of the dashboard. You will notice an option labeled Workflows. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't previously set up any workflows, you may find this area a bit bare. That's perfectly okay. We're about to make it come to life. Next, you'll see a button that prompts you to create a new workflow. Click on that. This is where the real fun begins. You'll need to give your workflow a name, so think of something that is both descriptive and easy to remember. It could be as simple as Welcome New Subscribers or Product Update Notifications, whatever fits your needs best. After you've entered a suitable name, look for the option that says New Subscriber. This choice tells Gumroad that you want this workflow to activate specifically for individuals who have just subscribed to your content. Once you select that option, go ahead and click Save and Continue. You're well on your way now. The next step is to create an email that you'd like to send to your new subscribers. This is crucial because you want to make sure that your welcome message is engaging and informative. After clicking through, you'll see an option saying Create New Email. Click on that. Here, you'll be asked to fill in the subject line of your email. Be creative. This is your chance to catch their eye and make a strong first impression. You could use something like, Welcome aboard, here's what to expect, or Thanks for joining us, let's get started. Once you've crafted the subject line, it's time to move on to the next part, setting the timing for your email. You'll find an option to set when this email goes out. You can choose how many hours after someone becomes a subscriber you want them to receive your email. For instance, you might want to set it to send immediately, or perhaps a few hours later, depending on what you think works best for your engagement strategy. After you've entered this information, it's essential to remember to click Save Changes to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And just like that, you've set up a simple yet effective Gumroad workflow for your new subscribers. It really is that straightforward. Now, anytime someone subscribes to your content, they'll automatically receive the warm welcome you crafted, enhancing their experience from the very start. Remember, automating these interactions not only helps you manage your time better, but also maintains a personal touch with your subscribers. Engage with them regularly, tweak your emails based on feedback or performance, and watch how your relationship with your audience deepens. That wraps up our tutorial on using Gumroad workflows. This is a fantastic way to streamline your communications and increase engagement with your audience effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with other creators, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on leveraging digital tools for your creative ventures. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next